Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, I do a lot of purse review, a little bit of fashion, and beauty tips slash beauty products. So today we'll be reviewing, if you guys are wondering, will be nail polishes. So these will be the colors that I'm reviewing. You notice that this hand is a lot of blue, like Tiffany blue, and this one is like different shades of color. Well, I was trying on like different colors, like the palette that I just bought, and I found out that this color is the best, so then I just apply it on all of my fingers just to see how it looks. So what do you guys think? Let's talk about this color first. It's called Blew My Mind. So this color, I like the application. It is somewhat kind of milky and somewhat glossy. I actually have like 3 layers on this, on all of this, to bring out the color that I want, and then after that I put on a clear coat to help it from being scratched, or well, it's still scratched but help it to be more glossy. And this is the number 805. This color right here, it's like a nude-ish pink shade. It is called How Romantic in number 240. So this is actually as well 3 coat as well, but it has, the application is kind of difficult to put on because I don't know if you can see it, it doesn't look very smooth with all of the pearly, kind of pearly milky color. Is hard, like when you spread out, apply the color, it doesn't spread evenly. To me, this is one of the more difficult color to put on and to apply. It doesn't come out nice and smooth. It looks nice from far away like this, you know, for videos, but if you look closely with the human eye, it looks splotchy, and then there's some unevenness to it. This color pink right here, it is called Members Only number 1112. It's a really glossy color, so the application is really easy and really smooth. I only have 2 coats on this plus a clear glossy layers on it. The 2 last one right here is a glittery polish. I really liked it because it has a really good application when you apply it on your nail as well. 1 coat already provides enough glitter. It has a lot of glitter. You know how like a lot of nail polish that has glitter, it's like they skip on the glitter part or something, or just I don't know, but when you apply it on, there'll be a lot of clear parts that doesn't have like glitter. This has like glitter applied all over. It looks so chrome. It looks chrome-ish, doesn't it? But if you want even more intense coverage, you can just put on a 2nd coat. So I did put on 2 coats plus a clear gloss on top. So the 2 colors right here, this one is a little bit more purpley, this one is a little bit more silvery grape. This one is 104, Diamond in the Rough, and this is 143, The Reign of the Studs. So yeah, so you can see, plus this right here. Alright, so this each bottle costs about like $6 plus tax. So I got myself 3 jars. That's about $36 plus tax, and it's in like a rectangular container like this with like a brush kind of goldish cap. So yeah, there you go. So I don't know if you guys like these colors, but these are the ones that I picked out because I liked it. Hopefully this review is useful for you guys. I don't know, maybe you guys love the colors and go and get some for you guys, but I highly recommend this color. It's really cute. It's like Tiffany blue color, so it's really good and fresh for the summer. So there you go. Hopefully you guys enjoy this review. See you guys again next time.